Hello everybody, today I have this Freightliner Cascadia. The problem that it has is then it doesn't want to start, doesn't crank at all. So when I turn the ignition on and I press the clutch and I try to start it, it doesn't do anything. So the main reason of this problem is that the clutch switch was bad. So I'm gonna give you a tip if you are on the road and this happens to you. So all you have to do is to keep the ignition on, press the clutch, right? And then go to the start position like this and press and release the clutch multiple times like this until the truck starts. In many cases it can take a while, but in other cases it can start immediately after pressing the clutch many times. But anyway, I'm going to replace the clutch switch. So the clutch switch is this one right here. That's the clutch switch. I have another video when I replaced the clutch switch because the cruise control wasn't working. In this case, I'm going to replace the clutch switch because the truck is not starting. So all we have to do is to remove a bolt that holds the clutch switch, this bolt right here, using a 532 Allen wrench, and then we're gonna unplug this connection from the clutch switch to remove it completely. Okay, the clutch switch is out. So usually these switches are the ones that go bad. They look okay, but inside the switch the contact points are not actually working properly. So I have the new clutch switch. Here is the part number. Remember, always compare the switches because in some cases they could be different, but always compare them just to make sure that they are the right ones. Okay, the new switch is installed, and now I just need to connect the plug. And now I'm going to start the engine. Okay, so this will solve this problem. Engine doesn't crank or doesn't start. You can check my video description below to see other video about the clutch replacement, the clutch switch replacement. In that case, it was because the cruise control and the jailbreak were not working. So if you have any questions about this video, just comment below and I'll try to answer them as soon as I can. Please like the video, share, subscribe, and thank you for watching.